This tutorial covers setting appointments and meetings in Office 365's calendar. I will point out differences between Outlook and first-class calendars throughout the tutorial. Now, to start out with, we are viewing my calendar presently. I want to schedule a new event. I will either click here on the New Event button, or I can simply go to my calendar, double-click, and my event box will open. I will just schedule a simple meeting, schedule a location, a time. To schedule times, best way is to, under duration, go to custom, then you can schedule the start and end time for your meeting. And reminder, the calendar will send you reminders prior to your appointment or meeting. Right now, I will be sent a reminder 15 minutes before my meeting. I would rather have that reminder half an hour. And when I save it, my meeting for the 4th of July at 8 a.m. has appeared right there on my calendar. To schedule a meeting or an event and invite other attendees, follow the same steps as scheduling an appointment as we just did. So I'll go to New Event. I'm throwing a party. I'll throw it in Lee Hall. And if this looks like an email, it actually is an email. It will be sent out to my recipients. As in Outlook email, I can just start typing in names, or I can go to my address book, clicking the plus sign at the end of the two-line opens my address book, and all I need to do is double-click on any of my preferred attendees. And for this party, I am also going to invite everyone on my All IT contact list or my All IT group. I will say OK, and all of my attendees are here on the attendee line. To add any notes to your invitation, there is a text box at the bottom of the invitation. To keep your calendar more organized, as with First Class, you can categorize events and meetings on your calendar by color. To do that, just click under the ellipsis at the top of the message. I will choose Categories, and this one I have named Fun. I'm sending my party invitation, and here you'll see my party in red on July 4th. Once an invitee has accepted my invitation, I can go to Outlook. I've just received a notification that this message came in. I see right here that Andrew Jones has accepted my meeting. If someone else invites me to a meeting or an event, I will receive that invitation, as I just did, in my inbox. And I see that Paula has invited me to lunch, and I have the choice here of accepting her invitation, telling her it's tentative, or declining the invitation. And I will accept her invitation. When I go back to my calendar, here it is right here, lunch at noon. And this one I am choosing to categorize as recreation. And now I see lunch there in yellow. To keep track of the invitations that I sent out, I can go to the event on my calendar, in this case, a meeting, and if I click on attendees, I see that 2 people have accepted my invitation, Andrew and Betty. I see that Paula has declined, and I see that Connie has not replied to my invitation yet. This completes the presentation on scheduling appointments and sending and replying to meeting requests in the Office 365 calendar. Additional presentations focus on using Outlook email, the address book, and OneDrive.